Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the Introduction to Professional Cooking, and today we're going to talk about preparation. In French they use the word mise en place, or in all restaurants around the world they use the same word, mise en place, which is to prepare your table, to put things in order. Okay, so what does that mean? That means you have your recipe with you and you prepare, cut and dice whatever vegetable and objects that you need, produce that you need to cook later on. Okay, let's go. So guys, welcome back, and we're gonna be talking about cutting vegetables. So the first thing I want to do and to show you is cutting an onion. Okay, grab your onion, peel it, but leave this part, the end part of your onion, intact. Okay, and what I want you to do is you're gonna grab it and cut a slice in each of them like this, and we're gonna cut all around. Careful not to cut your fingers, okay? And I want you to do one cut like this. Also careful with your fingers, all right? And now you hold it like a tennis ball and leave your fingers like this, and you're gonna cut into small little squares. Okay, so this first cut is one of the most important cuts. In the end you can turn around and you can cut the end pieces all the way down to the bulb. Okay, all the way down to the bulb. Okay guys, so this cut, the first one I did, it's called brunoise. Now I'm going to teach you how to do a julienne. Okay, so you're going to peel the onion the same, and you're going to do very, very, very thin slices, as thin as you can. So these are called julienne, and these are the two most important cuts when talking about onions. You have other cuts, like when the onion is complete you can cut into rings, right, for onion rings. But this one we're going to be cutting the rest of it as what they call mirepoix, which is for the vegetable stock that we're going to do tomorrow. Okay, so for the mirepoix you don't have any, so you can just cut in any sort of shape and size. So this is for the mirepoix. Okay, great. Okay, so for the carrot, you're gonna grab your carrot, you cut the end, okay, and you peel everything, all the skin off of your carrot, and it will look like this. Okay, so for the cuts of the carrot, normally what you have to do first is to make it a square. Okay, so what you're gonna do is square it off your carrot. Okay, because in the cuisine what you want are perfect shapes, or as perfect as possible, the shapes of your vegetables. Okay, so here you go, you cut this part's a bit round, so I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to use it later. And also it is about perfect shapes, but all of these are going to be used. Okay, so don't throw it away just yet. Okay, and when you have the carrot more or less in a square shape, of course you know, as best as you can, what you're going to do is we're going to do a few different shapes. Okay, so one of them is very thin and is the same name. So normally you can cut in half, so to have a good size, and this is called the same name as the onion, the julienne. This is the julienne. Okay, you have, or some people call it the matchstick. It's called the julienne. And from a julienne, you can do also a brunoise, which is to cut in little cubes. Okay, so this becomes brunoise. So you have brunoise, julienne, and you have other shapes. Okay, so this is number 1. The other one, I'm going to cut in half here to make it easier for me to prepare. The next one I'm going to show you is the bâtonnet, which is small like this, more or less like this. Okay, as the cuisine needs to be perfect, I'm going to cut this off here. So it's more or less like a beautiful bâtonnet. This is called bâtonnet. And then if you cut in cubes, they become jardinière. Okay, so these are the different shapes. And you have the final one, which is the bâton, but the bâton needs to be a bit bigger. So I'm going to use this guy here to cut, and the bâton is much bigger. It's like this. This is a bâton, and then you have the squares of it, which are the macédoine. Okay, so these are the different types and cuts of carrots. And let's go for the next vegetable. So let's talk about potatoes and potatoes, different cuts of potato. So first of all, of course, peel it, and you have your classic, the potato chip, which is the very, very, very thin potato. Okay, like this. So as thin as you can. All right. This is for your potato chips, like. And the next one is called Anna, which is a little bit thicker, and it's perfect for dishes involving oven or fish. Okay, so this is the side. Also, you have all the different types of cuts similar to. So this is more or less an Anna size, and this is the chip. So you have all the other shapes like the bâton, the bâtonnet. You can do all of those. You can do Parisienne, which is a round, very round. You can use your knife. You use a vegetable knife, which is a smaller one, and you can do a little round circle. And you have different shapes of potatoes, but these are the most common ones.